Hey everyone, Lizzie Marie here with The Sparrow's Nest, and welcome to my channel, Simple Living with DIY Projects and Delicious Dishes. So today I'm taking part of a challenge by Christina from DIY Mommy, and I'm going to be showing you a little bit of fall decorating and a couple of DIY projects. Now if you've been with me for a while, you already know I recently did another fall video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I decorated my bookcase for fall. Before you do anything else, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that little bell right next to it so you never miss a video. Alright guys, let's get to it. So here's everything I'm going to be using to decorate my bookshelf. And if you see that paint on the wall there, I am trying to find a nice color to paint over this ugly blue wall. So if you have any suggestions, leave it in the comments. I got this orange basket at Goodwill. It was only $5. This pillow I got at Target, and it was also $5. I love these pumpkins. These I got at TJ Maxx for $14 each, which I thought was a pretty good price for how big they are. I found these in the dollar section. This was an awesome find. So I'm just going to stick it in that basket there. Have a little pumpkin patch. And I found this lighted jute cord in the dollar section at Target. It was, I can't remember, I think it was like $3. And I already had this little napkin. I'm just gonna put it there because I want like a nice triangle shape to kind of point downward. Alright, next I'm going to add some books. And I actually specifically got these books just for how the spine looked. I just got these at Goodwill, $1 each. I also found this at the thrift store also. This whole little thing with the jars is only $4. And I'm going to put some cotton flowers in there. I already had that cute string art fox. And I got these at the thrift store too. These are usually really expensive. And I got the whole package of them for $4. So I'm just going to stick that little ball on my candlestick. I'm going to place some more books here. And I found this little ball decor at Kroger for $5. And I painted some mason jars and I distressed them. I painted a mason jar with my DIY chalk paint. To find my DIY chalk paint recipe, you can just check out under my videos, and it's titled DIY chalk paint. So you want to paint one layer, and then you want to let that dry for about 6 to 12 hours. You want it to be really dry before you put that second coat on. Then you're going to put a second coat. And again, you want to let this dry pretty well. And then next you're going to take a sanding sponge. Well, I only had a sanding sponge, but normally you would want just like sandpaper. And then I just sand where the ball letters are, where all the letters are, and I just stress a little until I like the way it looks. And then I added some jute cord for a nice rustic look. And there you have it. Super, super easy DIY. And I found this thankful sign in the dollar section, and it was only $5. I'm going to decorate the top of the shelf now, and I'm just going to use those balls I also got from the thrift store and place it in this little nice crate. And then this black lanterns I got from Target along with those pumpkins. And I got these cute little square shelves also at Goodwill, 3 of them for $5. They were kind of like beat up, but I just painted them and they look good as new. So here you go. I'm going to give you a nice little tour, and almost everything on my bookshelf was $5 or less, other than those 2 big pumpkins on the bottom. So definitely make sure to check out your thrift store. You can find great things. Even this bookcase I found for $40. It was normally $119 at Target, but I found it at a thrift store and it was almost perfect condition. I googled how to style a bookcase, and this is kind of what I found is you want to make sure that you have shapes. So that's what I did to style my bookcase. And here's some of my other fall decor. You can find this video, it's in my videos, it's titled Fall Farmhouse Decorate With Me. And in that video I decorated my floating shelf, as you can see here, and I also decorated my kitchen table. I hope this gives you some decorating ideas for fall, and if you have any questions or comments, please leave that in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching, and happy fall decorating!